Hey everyone, I figured I would come and check on my Elf on the Shelf Blizzard since he fell off the cupboard today. And it looks like all of his little friends are looking after him, and we have a doctor from the North Pole. So she's come all the way to check on Blizzard and hopefully make him feel better. What has your Elf on the Shelf been up to today? Please comment below to let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all very soon. Bye guys!